Welcome to Market Insight Weekly. In this video, we'll see how we can set up our scene to record and do recording in OBS. This is a continuation OBS Studio Part 1, where we discuss about how to install and set up the OBS Studio. We'll add the link in the description box. Before we start recording, we can set up our different scenes for different screens so that you can keep your different screen settings separate. To create a scene, like I do trading and I keep my screen separate for calendar and trading screens. So we'll do the same. First, I'll create a screen for my calendar. For calendar, I need to have my audio capture. I'm selecting a microphone. Then I need to have video. Hi everyone. So this video, we can make it shorter so that it can fit in our screen. And we need to capture our screen. I want to capture an application, Safari, where my calendar has been opened. Let's do some size resizing. So now the trouble is my video is hidden. So I need to move this video upside. Yeah, now we can see. Okay, so we can add some text if we want to present somewhere. So we'll go to text, add the name calendar. Okay, I'll just give calendar 1. You can select the color. So I'm just leaving it like that. You can resize it over here. If you want to fit with the scene, then you need to make it shorter. The scenes. Yes. If you want to add another scene, let's add this. So now I've added 2 scenes, calendar and trading. You can click onto the start recording. Record whatever you want to record. But you need to be careful that this is just a recording of screens. So you need to move to the screen if you want to show something to the viewers. Like if I want to show something into the calendar, so I need to move to Safari first. I can click on whatever I want to display. So it will automatically get changed into these scenes. So after you're done recording, you can switch the scenes, show to the viewers whatever you want to present or show, and click onto the stop recording. After you're done recording, go to the OBS file, show recording. On the show recording, you will be able to see the today, whatever you're recording today. Right now, the time is 6:06. So this is the recording which we have recorded over here. You can click and play and test whatever you want to do. So that's how you set up your scenes, set up your audio, video, screens, and do recording. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the upcoming video.